carbon, which is extremely polluting and very inefficient. You actually are wasting in conversion a third of that energy. So when you look at electricity, you need to look at the whole cycle from well to wheel. And what that tells you is that until we won't be able to sufficiently innovate, which I'm sure we will, and that's why making sure that one has the right electrification technologies is important. It's probably not the solution today, but it's one of the solutions. Because as long as electricity is fundamentally produced by burning coal mostly or other carbons, you're not solving the environmental equation, and the cost is still extremely high compared to other forms of technology. We have been now very active, for example, in the US with the new minivan that has been launched beginning of this year, Pacifica, which is an hybrid model, both electric and combustion. And somehow that's in our view today an effective way of approaching and trying to optimizing based on the technologies you have. Now what I like to do is give you a couple of examples in countries where we operate of different approaches that you have there. So if you start with Brazil, Brazil is a country where today 50% of the market is powered by bioethanol. Bioethanol is mainly created by sugarcane, and in fact it's a very efficient process because you're able to create sugar with the cane and create ethanol so it can mix, and then with the waste you can again create energy from that waste. So it's a very efficient process, and thanks to a technology that was invented by FCA through its component company Magneti Marelli, we were able to have sensors and softwares that create different mixes. So we used to come in an era where you had two solutions, gasoline or ethanol. Now you have four. You have gasoline, ethanol, mixture of the two, and natural gas, which is called tetrafuel, and all these are solutions that come under the name of Flex. This has proven to be extremely effective for our customers, but also for the environment, and it's been a formidable application in Brazil. If we look at Italy,